Hey everyone, it's Dr. Amber Thornton here. I want to take a few minutes to talk with you about stress management. Whenever I'm working with clients, whether it be therapy clients or personal development consultation clients, stress management comes up a lot. And it's because we all are stressed out. We're all busy. We're all taking care of our families, or we're working hard on our jobs, and we get stressed out and we don't always know the best way to manage our stress. I want to talk about 3 approaches to managing stress. I'm going to start with the least effective to the most effective. The first way to manage stress is what I call damage control. This is not a strategy that I would recommend. Unfortunately, this is what I see commonly happening when we are trying to manage our stress. A lot of times we either don't notice the stress that we're experiencing, or we don't take the time to manage the stress, and then we are forced to manage the stress after it's caused some damage. A lot of times we are doing this when we're already burned out, we're already exhausted, and then we try to do things to cure the damage that has been done because of the excessive stress. The second approach to managing stress is something that I call in the moment. And so this might look like practicing breathing techniques, or doing some mindfulness meditation in the moment, or doing something in the moment to help bring your stress level from here to here. This is more effective than damage control, but it is not as effective as some other approaches to managing stress. What you might notice is, if you do a lot of in the moment stress management, is that in the moment it feels very effective, but over the course of time, it's not as effective because it does not help to manage stress in the long run. The most effective way of managing our stress is to be preventative and proactive. So typically this involves practicing healthy habits, healthy boundaries, lots and lots of self-care, lots of self-discipline, so that we are implementing a lot of healthy habits to, over the course of time, buffer the impacts of our stress. The thing about life is that we are going to feel stress no matter how good we feel. We feel stress on our jobs. We feel stress with taking care of our families. We feel stressed with just doing life. And so stress is going to come. And if we can be preventative in our approach to stress management, if we can be proactive when we are trying to prevent stress, that is really the best thing to do. If you need some help in thinking about healthy boundaries, thinking about healthy habits, practicing proper self-care, go to www.dramberthornton.com. Consider scheduling a 15-minute consultation so that we could talk about it a little bit and see if there's something that we might need to tweak. But then also sign up for my newsletter. Within the newsletter, you will receive tips, strategies, helpful hints, maybe some freebies every now and then that might help with some of these things. So I hope that you all are thinking a little bit more about stress management, and hopefully we all can be a little bit more preventative and proactive when managing our stress.